Nobody is here, guys. Very quiet. Yeah, somebody's there sitting. Some foreigners is coming. We are totally in the forest. See that? Sorry, I'm just full. Guys, there's other foreigners. It's coming. See, guys, there's a house here. I don't know if have people. It looks like nobody. See, the beach is there. Maybe somebody live here, guys, because I have some clothes. See, I think there's a lot of house or beach, or what is this? Houses. Guys, you see that small island? We are from there. It's a Gili Air Island. We just transfer here. We have many chicken, guys. Roaster. There. See? This is the area here, guys. Look. Hello. I see a lot of building here, guys, but now it's finished. You see? There's a pool everywhere. Just only one thing is very nice here, guys, is quiet. Not too much people. You see? It's very nice here. Have some shop. If you want to eat some fruits, they have. See? You can see the many horse, guys. There, we can go there. You look the horse, guys. Bring the many woods. I'm sorry for this horse because here in this place, no have cars, no have just only horse and electric motorcycle. We have small shop. And they have the Gili emergency. I think that's a medical evacuation. They have the hospital here, guys, I think. Yeah. Yeah, we need water. We found some beaches, rest house here. You see, it's very nice. It's very quiet. It looks like no people. See, look, nobody here. Tawag, guys, murag raan naarami dito sa atoa sa Pilipinas, oh. Namin sa forest, kilid sa baybay, oh, walay mga tao, naay mga balay puros daot na. Oh. Tapos naa dito nagastor. Ara. Wala ka tao-tao niya. Ang kalayo sa mong baklayon. Guys, layo kaayo. Na. Manay nagbakasyon. Na naamis kagubatan. Naamis kakahuyan. Oh. Mga langgam ray nagtingog. Kami ray tao karon diri guys. Nami sa Hol ba yung andi? Gili Meno. Bali, Indonesia. Kasi walay tao guys. Walay kautaw-utaw. Kamirang duha ni Andre nagbaklay. Tapos nakadawat kog mangga oh. Free. Basta kabalol ta mangayo. Tagaan yun ta. Na mga payag ko yung mga tao. Sa magbaklay mi ani maabot mi yun yung mga gabi na. Mas Lord. Mamora man pang plano ni Andre ganina. Mga undra. Nya karon kay nga mong giagian hasta mang layo ah. Walay ka balay-balay na kani, naibalay oh. Ang mga beach resort ni. Nakakita ang balay.